Greetings, future crochet addicts. I am Creative Panda Creature. I am a full-time crochet designer, and welcome to my series How to Crochet for Beginners, where I'm gonna teach you basic stitches and techniques of this amazing craft. We already know how to make a single crochet and double crochet, and there is one more stitch in between them, and that is half double crochet. In this video, you're gonna learn how to make it, and you're gonna learn how to make half double crochet, half double crochet increase, and half double crochet two together. This is how the row of half double crochets look like. This is the sign in diagrams, and this is the abbreviation in a written pattern. We're gonna start with making a chain, and we place our hook in third chain from the hook. Do yarn over and place the hook in third chain from the hook. Yarn over, pull the working yarn through those two loops. Now we are having 3 loops on the hook, and we're gonna do yarn over and pull the working yarn through all 3 loops, and that's our half double crochet. Let's make one more. Do yarn over, place your hook in next chain, yarn over, pull the working yarn through those 2 loops. We are having 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull the working yarn through all those 3 loops on the hook, and that's another half double crochet. Make as many as you need. And this is half double crochet increase. This is the sign in diagrams, and this is the abbreviation in a written pattern. Half double crochet increase means we are making 2 half double crochets in one stitch. I'm gonna continue with my rows of half double crochets, turn it around and make chain of 2 instead of first half double crochet. Now I'm gonna make a half double crochet, so yarn over, place the hook in the next half double crochet of the previous row and finish the half double crochet. So yarn over, pull it through those 2 loops. Now we are having 3 loops. Yarn over and pull it through all the 3 loops. And we make another half double crochet in the same half double crochet of the previous row. So we have 2 half double crochets in one stitch. And that's our half double crochet increase. Now we're gonna make half double crochet decrease or half double crochet 2 together. This is the sign in diagrams, and this is the abbreviation in a written pattern. I'm going to frog the previous row of half double crochet increased, and I'm frogging it till the first 2 chains, and then I place my hook in the second chain, and I'm gonna crochet my double crochet 2 together in this previous row. So we start our half double crochet, yarn over, place the hook in next half double crochet of the previous row, yarn over, pull it through those 2 loops. Now we are having 3 loops, but we keep them on the hook and we start another half double crochet. And now we are having 5 loops on the hook. We do yarn over and we pull the hook through all of them. And that's our half double crochet 2 together.